everyone, how are you? Oh my goodness, it's raining here. Nice change from snow. Yeah, I haven't done a car vlog in a while. So I thought I would get on here today and do one. Just going shopping, grocery shopping. It's Friday and rainy and dull, and I'm just going to go pick up a few groceries. I just kind of got out of the way of vlogging, and well, my doohickey thing broke and my camera fell, so I need a new one. So this will have to do. Wow. Where do I begin? I don't know. It's like we're almost at Christmas, and yeah, our Christmas is going to be a little bit different this year, and the reason being, my youngest son just started a new job, actually a new career, and he's going to be working on Christmas Day. So we've decided to do our Christmas Day on the 23rd. So my birthday is on the 18th. Richard's birthday is on the 22nd, and then Christmas Day for us to celebrate our Christmas all together, 7 of us this year with Nora, will be on the 23rd. So yeah, so I only have a week to get prepared for that. We're not doing Christmas gifts this year. We're doing a Secret Santa, so each one of us are doing a Secret Santa. We're not really buying stuff for Nora because she's already got lots and lots of stuff. I actually got her a lot of toys from one of these marketplace, like Fisher Price toys, really top-end toys, and I got them from a lady who's selling them. So they're like brand new, about $400 worth of toys for babies, toddlers, and so I picked those up for $20. So we just keep bringing out a couple of toys for her each month when she has, when she's kind of transitioning into a new phase. Yeah, so she is starting to work on her core muscles now, so kind of setting up, she's rolling over and she's interacting with toys and, pressing things and stuff like that. So it's really exciting time. So really, we're not indulging her this Christmas. It's, like, what do you indulge your 6-month-old baby with? It's just, Christmas has just gotten completely out of hand, and now we just don't do that anymore. So it's much less stress, and yeah, so Secret Santa, stockings, and just spending time with family, and that's what we're doing. We're not buying gifts for anyone outside of our Secret Santa, just each other, and it's not about the gifts. It's just about just having some fun, opening up that that little present from your wondering, oh, who bought me it, and we put a $30 lid on it, so it's not like we're going to spend $200 on each other. We're just not doing it, and with all the renovations and the bedroom is finished, almost finished. We just have a few little things to do, and I'll take some pictures of that. And the kitchenette is in progress, and the bathroom is in progress. So we're getting there, and that's where we're investing our money right now, and that's the best investment that we we could do with our money instead of buying each other stuff that we really don't need. None of us need anything, and we have each other, and that's the main thing. So, well, I'm almost at the grocery store. I'm going to go in and get a few things for the weekend, and I hope everybody has a great weekend. And sorry about the setup of the video. But this is the best I could do on short notice. So anyway, short and sweet. I will pop in again and talk to you later. Take care. Love you all, and don't let anyone ever dull your spark.